Hello guys, I welcome to you on my channel Gyan Ki Peti. Today we are going to discuss some application of second law of motion. Means what are the daily uses of second law of motion. We had studied what is second law of motion, mathematical formulation, but if we studied the uses will be somewhere in our daily life. So that only we are going to study today. At first we know that second law of motion, what is saying that force is equal to mass into acceleration. So the force applies to an object of mass having m and acceleration depend on how much force. If greater amount of force will be applied, then acceleration will be more. So this acceleration depends on net force, how much force we apply, and mass of an object. If mass on object is let it at 20 kg and acceleration comes to 2 meter per second and the force is applied as 2 Newton. So this 2 Newton will not be enough to move this from one place to another. So the force actually depend on net force, how much force we applied, and mass of an object. On that acceleration depend how much it will move. So examples of Newton's second law or application of second law uses in our daily to day life are: we had seen a player catching a fast moving ball. When a player, here it is ball, when a player try to catch this ball, then he tries to come this ball from here to this point here. In this what happens means time get increased, and we know that force is directly proportional to time, inversely proportional to time. If time increases, then the force will be used by the player will be less. If player is catching ball here, so no time will be decreased. So when time is less, then force that player have to make to catch the ball is large, or because of this large force a player may even get hurt. So player will get less hurt if ball is coming when he is doing his hand little down. In that time get increased and the force time get increased and force get decreased. So player won't get hurt. Second is that pushing a cart with two different masses. Let a small mass pushing a cart. So that a small mass, that is let us 2 Newton, which will not be able to move to push this cart, but when a large mass is taken to push this cart, it will be moved, because that force is directly proportional to mass. When mass increases, force increases. And we had seen riding bicycle. So we used to do the paddling. So in paddling what is used, our force is used. So in paddling, if we increase our force, then the paddling increases, and when paddling increases, the acceleration also increases. That is, the cycle started moving fast. So these are some examples of application of second law of motion. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. Thanks.